Hello. In this video, you will learn how to change email and password, and how to link social media profiles in your Proficonf's profile. Sign in and go to the event page. Click on the profile button in the top right corner of the page. In the drop-down menu, select My Profile to go to the account settings. Select the section Login. Here you can edit email or password. To do this, click the Send button under the appropriate item, and then you will receive further instructions to change your email or password on the current connected email. Here you can also link social network accounts to your profile, after which you can log into Proficonf through any of them. Just click the Add button next to the preferred social network icon. Then you will be redirected to the authorization page of the selected social network. If you want to remove the social network binding, simply click Delete. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. You'll find all links below the video.